Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I requested this product from the brand for review so that I can share my experience and you can decide if it's something that's right for you. This is the Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner, and I was truly impressed with it the first use, which is very unusual for me. It actually leaves my hair noticeably softer and smoother, more manageable without any greasy or heavy feeling. A little goes a long way too. I love that it does an amazing job on the frizz while adding the healthy, natural looking shine to my hair. One of my favorite things is how quickly it absorbs with no buildup, no residue, just a nice lightweight hydration. It doesn't weigh my hair down, even with daily use. This argan oil delivers moisture and the scent is absolutely lovely. It's fresh and pleasant. What really surprised me is how well it worked on my more stubborn areas. I have long hair and the crown section is usually the driest and the hardest to manage. No matter what I use, those pieces stay dry and brittle. But after just one use, this leave-in conditioner felt incredibly moisturized and soft, stayed that way. The frizz has always been a challenge for me, even with gels, sprays, styling products. This leave-in conditioner has seriously changed all that. My frizz is dramatically reduced. My hair looks smoother, more polished, with less effort. And it's super easy to use. You just apply it to damp hair and leave it. You don't have to rinse it. So if you want soft, hydrated, healthy looking hair with no buildup, this is an easy yes. Your hair will love it.